Meaning of cyberpunk. Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk.
Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk is a subgenre of science fiction that originated in the 1980s. It typically involves a dystopian, high-tech future where advanced technology and cybernetics have dramatically altered society, often resulting in a stark divide between the haves and have-nots. Cyberpunk stories often feature protagonists who are outsiders or rebels struggling to survive in this oppressive world, using their own wits and tech-savvy to navigate the dangerous urban landscape. Overall, cyberpunk emphasizes themes of individualism, rebellion, and the consequences of unchecked technological progress.